Exactly right. Yeah, when you start to talk about temperatures jumping up into the 60s and possibly 70s as we head through the start of next week and approaching cold front, we've got a lot of ingredients kind of coming together right at the right time for the possibility of some strong to possibly severe weather. And we say possibly because this isn't set in stone just yet. But let's talk about what we're tracking for today. A mild and dry week, and got it started off with temperatures way high today into the mid and upper 60s, in some spots 70s. But then we've got to talk about some Groundhog Day storms. Yeah, we're not going to be focused on Punxsutawney Phil and what he's doing up in Pennsylvania on Tuesday. We're going to be talking about the potential for some severe weather Tuesday night into Wednesday, and then colder after the storms roll out on Wednesday as we end the work week. Thursday and Friday looking dry and cooler. Let's talk about what we've got around right now. Numbers in the 60s, 65 still in Birmingham, Jasper, Tuscaloosa at 66. We've fallen into the 50s in Pell City and in Gadsden at 59 and 57 respectively. Highs today, like we said, reached in the 60s after morning lows were close to freezing in some spots, some 30 to 35 degree recovery in those temperatures. The satellite and radar picture has been all clear and all dry for today. That's how we expect it to be through tonight, but clouds will be increasing overnight into early tomorrow morning, and I think we see a mostly cloudy day on Sunday, but we're still going to see plenty of warmth in central Alabama. These clouds all coming in as moisture flow starts to move in from the Gulf of Mexico in the upper levels of the atmosphere. More moisture coming in equals more clouds, but no rain. Very spotty chances of showers for tomorrow. That will show up on Storm Track Futurecast. You see the clouds will increase overnight. Some of the lower level clouds, especially getting thick by the time you start to wake up early tomorrow morning. The shower chances, I think, will be very, very isolated. Less than a 10% chance, but there is a chance just because of the moisture in the air and also how warm we're going to be for tomorrow. Then by Monday, I think our rain chances increase just a bit, especially north of 20 and 59 as a stalled out cold front kind of drapes through the area. But our real focus is going to be on Tuesday. So the setup, we talked about the setup. We've got warm, moist air moving in from the Gulf of Mexico, plenty of wind shear available Tuesday night into Wednesday as this cold front slides on through. You note the time. But what kind of impacts could we see from this? Well, the impacts, every mode of severe weather will be possible. But there's a couple of big ifs. It depends on several factors, the timing and the track of the surface features. If the system moves through earlier, which means during the afternoon time on Tuesday, and it's a late Tuesday instead of Wednesday morning, there's a greater chance of severe weather because we'll have more instability in the air. But if the track of the low moves more north and the track slows down, we're going to see less of a severe threat. We're not going to have as much instability available, and just the overall dynamics won't be as favorable. So there's still a lot of question marks, but of course we'll keep you posted and fine-tune that forecast as we get closer. So for tonight, clouds will increase much milder, 48 early tomorrow morning, then a mostly cloudy day, but I think we'll be close to temperatures for today, just a little bit cooler just because of the clouds, 65 for an afternoon high tomorrow. Then the next 3 days looking stormy, unfortunately, for Tuesday. I'll let you know, weather aware in effect for Tuesday night into Wednesday, and the chance for thunderstorms increases. Then by Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, much cooler and much drier to end the work week and start the weekend. Alex?